Hi everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to watch Instagram Reels in full screen for a cleaner and more distraction-free viewing experience. So, let's get started. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If you see an update button, tap on it to make sure you have the latest version. Once it's updated, open Instagram and tap the Reels icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, open any reel and tap the two-line menu icon on the right side. From here, tap Playback and then select View Full Screen. You'll notice that the extra buttons and information disappear, giving you a cleaner full-screen view of the reel. To return to the normal view, simply tap the two arrows in the bottom right corner. And that's it! If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.